Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and trimming the clip to the exact section you want. Once done, duplicate that clip layer so you have an upper copy and a lower copy stacked perfectly. Make the lower copy the base of the glow. Apply a heavy blur and, if available, increase brightness or exposure slightly. This creates a soft halo. While you're doing this, make sure playback is paused at a clear frame to judge the glow intensity accurately before proceeding to blend modes. Next, colorize the blurred layer to pick the glow hue you want, warmer tones for warmth, cooler for neon. Once the color is set, change the top clip's blend mode to screen or add, or lower its opacity to blend both layers naturally. If Capcut lacks modes, reduce the top layer opacity to reveal the blurred color beneath. Then refine with a feathered mask on the blurred layer or vignette to constrain the glow to edges and keep the center crisp, which makes the glow read as edge lighting rather than an overall haze. Finish by refining intensity with keyframes. Animate opacity, blur, or tint so the glow breathes with the action. If the subject moves, track the mask or manually adjust mask keyframes so the glow stays on edges. Make small saturation tweaks so the glow reads without color bleeding into skin tones. If the glow looks clipped or too sharp, increase blur on the duplicated layer or nudge opacity up. Conversely, reduce saturation or opacity if it overpowers the image. One troubleshooting tip: if edges look jagged, add a tiny Gaussian blur to the mask edge to remove hard lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.